Welcome back to this training series. So in this WordPress tutorial, you'll be learning how to install WordPress plugins from WordPress plugins directory. To do this, go to plugins and click on add new. On this page, you will see a lot of plugins you can install. Click on install, then activate. You can search for plugins by using the search box by typing the name of the plugin you want to install. So when you see the plugins, you also click install and activate. Also, you can get plugins from the WordPress plugin directory based on popularity and recommendation. Lastly, always enable auto updates for your WordPress plugins. Lack of this can be security threatening to your WordPress site. So make sure you always enable it. So that is how to install WordPress plugins from WordPress plugins directory. If this is your first time of watching our video, please like, subscribe, and comment if you have any question. See you in the next video.